Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that we're putting in my daughter's Easter basket this year for 2024. So let's get going. Alright, so the first thing I'm putting in is this little kid's camera. I got this on Amazon. Also, I will link everything I can below. Some of this stuff was purchased at Dollar Tree and some of it at Walmart and Target. But I'll try to link whatever I can, and then some of it I also got on Amazon. So the first thing is this camera. This actually works, so I'm excited. Since we go to Disney a lot, I plan to have her wear this and take little videos and pictures, because I think she might be a little bit too young for this, but I think as she gets closer to 3, she's really gonna enjoy this on our trips. Then I got her these mess-free Color Wonder things. I got this at Target. They always come with these little markers, and basically you could color little pictures. This pack is around like $5, I think. They sell larger ones for a little bit more. I've been hearing about these Water Wow books, and I actually have 3 of them in my cart right now, but it didn't get here, and well, obviously I haven't checked out, but I've been hearing great things about those, so I might actually end up adding that to the Easter basket later. The Water Wow, basically from what I understand, it's like this marker that you fill with water, and then the pages, you could use them like over and over again. The ink, when the ink dries, disappears. So I thought that might be better, a cheaper alternative, because these little $5 packs are getting kind of expensive. But she loves princesses right now. She's really into her princess era. So yeah, I wanted to throw that in there. I got a huge pack of bows, which I might end up taking out some for our next upcoming trip. So I don't know if I'm gonna put like this whole thing in there, but I think she'll really like this. I think I got this either on Temu or Temu. I forgot how the people are pronouncing it after this Super Bowl commercial. Or Shein, the other one I can't pronounce. Very inexpensive. I want to say like I paid $2 to $5 for like this whole bag. So really great deal. So I couldn't pass that up, because we tend to lose a lot of bows in our house. All right, the next thing is I got her this Frozen microphone. We love to do, when we have people over at our house, we love to do karaoke, and she was really into it lately too. So I think this will be awesome for her. I picked this up at Target. So it lights up and there's built-in music. I'm not gonna play it right now because she's laying down in the other room taking a nap, but yeah, I think she'll like really get really excited about it. She's really big time into Elsa lately, and she loves to sing along to all the songs. The next thing is I got her this little Etch-a-Sketch mini thing. Just very old school. I don't know. Let's see if how she does with it. I got this at Dollar Tree, believe it or not. So I want to say it was like $1.25 or something. So you can't really beat that. So this is a great, I was gonna say stocking stuffer, basket stuffer. I got this Frozen, one of these blind balls. This comes with like a mini plush. So obviously we don't know what's inside. I picked this up at Target. Again, it was like probably around $5 or so. I got these Easter stampers. And then again, I picked this up at Dollar Tree for like $1.25, and it comes with like about 8 stampers. So they have different, there's like a bunny, a chick, Easter egg hunt, a couple different bunnies, an egg, a chick, and a gnome. And then this is like a little Mickey activity sheet and stickers. They always have like these different variations of things. You know, we had one at Christmas I picked up at Target. I think this was from the Dollar Tree though. But basically just more junk for her to open and color and then get discarded later. The rest of it is a lot of like trinkety stuff. So this little pinwheel I picked up, I thought that would be cute, and she likes to play with the ones in our garden. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then this I picked up at Walmart yesterday. There's like these little sticky balls. I don't know, it was like $1. I just figured like she needs some other like little things. It's always like the dollar stuff that the kids tend to gravitate to, like just like the random stuff. So I got that. And then I got this at Walmart, this little mini pack of bubbles. She could do it herself. The cartridge isn't like so big, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. So if you're enjoying this content so far, welcome again. My name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I work in New York. I live in New Jersey. I love to take my daughter to Disney. We go multiple times a year. And if that's something you're into, I would love it if you would stick around, subscribe, go hit the like button and the bell so you'd be notified for all future content. And let's get back into the video. All right, the next thing is this like little magic towel thing. They came with the different characters. I actually have an Elsa one. I can't find it in this bag, so that tells me it might be in the back of my car still. But basically, like, it expands in water and becomes a towel. I've never bought one of these, but I thought it was kind of fun, and why not for $1, right? And then I picked these up at Dollar Tree also, just fun little glasses. I think she'll really get a kick out of this. And then some bunny hair clips. This I got at Walmart yesterday for $1. And then this is actually something new that I haven't experienced. So this is 2 paper dolls, and then you could design, I guess they have stickers and markers in here, so you could like design their little outfits for Minnie and Daisy. So I don't know, thought this would be fun. A little bit something different than the typical packs that I'm always putting in my suitcase for our Disney trips. And then this, I actually got an idea from Pixie Dusted Mom, another YouTuber. I'm sure you're aware of her. She's got a pretty big following and channel. She uses these for the plane, so I think this will be great. So basically this little craft notebook, and there's also this pack of little funny faces and eyes and whatnot, so you can make your own, I guess, like there's like a big fish, so you could kind of like make your own whatever character. So I figured this will be great for her to do in her spare time, as well as a great activity that we could do on the plane together. Keep her occupied. Oh, and there's one more thing I think that hasn't come yet, but I actually ordered her one of the Minnie Mouse stuffed animal or plushies, however you say it, from Disney Store. Unfortunately, I ordered a week ago. It still hasn't shipped, so I was hoping for it to be in this video, but it is not here yet. Hopefully it gets here in time for Easter. But let me see if I could put a picture up here on the screen so you could see what I'm adding, but it's so cute. Basically, they had a promotion the other day that was free shipping at Disney, so I ordered her some pair of pajamas because she always needs more pajamas. It seems like, I don't know why, I feel like I'm always buying them, but we never seem to have enough that fit her. So I just ordered her 1 pair. They were on sale for like 20 bucks, and then gift with purchase, well, it wasn't really a gift with purchase. You had to spend, I think, you had to spend whatever amount, and then you got the Minnie Mouse. You could choose between the Easter Minnie or the Easter Mickey, and it was $18. So I just thought it was cute. She's in her little like bunny ears, and it's like a little zip up, so I'm excited to put that in. Oh, one thing else that I forgot to mention is, of course, I am putting candy inside. I don't really typically give her a lot of candy because my daughter is very, very hyperactive, even more so than a normal 2-year-old, I think. But and of course, Easter, why not, right? So these are like the little typical chocolate eggs, so I won't give her all this. I'll be splitting this with my stepdaughter also for her basket. And I bought these little plastic eggs at the Dollar Tree, so I'll be putting some little candy in there, and I've got Kit Kat, and that's about it. I'm still like a little bit nervous to be giving her things like jelly beans and M&Ms and all that I normally probably would typically put in the plastic eggs, but I'm concerned about her choking, so we're just gonna stick to what I know with the candy that I know she'll be safe with. All right, so that is everything I'm putting in the bag. I didn't go crazy because, let's just face it, my daughter is spoiled. She's the youngest. I do have a stepdaughter, Jules, who is 17, so she gets a lot of stuff, and I do take her to Disney. We're actually going again in a week. So you know, we go to Disney a lot, so she gets a lot of gifts when she goes there. There's no reason for her to get endless amount of toys. So I just picked up a few things at Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, like I mentioned, and that's it. I think she'll be excited to get those new things. So let's pack it up and show you the finished product. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention is I got her basket is quite large. I didn't expect for it to be this large when I got it, but I actually picked it up on her first Easter. So from Pottery Barn, it's a lot of, this in the liner were probably a lot of money, but when you think about it, that I use it repeatedly year after year, you kind of get your money's worth, and it's very cute. So this is the same Easter basket I used last year. Also, I did a video, I can link it down below, when she was 1 year old, so you could see the differences in what I put in her basket. Oh my God. So you could see the difference in the things that I put in her basket last year. So then I got this liner, like I said, on Pottery Barn. I need to put it in. I just took it out of the dryer, so it's a little wrinkly. You can pay, I think it's like $15 or something to get your stuff monogrammed, but they're only going to give you a couple different choices for fonts. So my mom actually has an embroidery machine, so I had her write her name on there. So now that I took it out of the dryer, I washed it because it's been sitting in our garage. So I'm gonna get this all set up again. All right, so sorry, I have like this whole contraption here. This is probably the best that I'm gonna get because the best lighting right now, because it is a gloomy, rainy day outside. But anyway, you could see, so, you know, like I said, this is a little wrinkly, but whatever. I'll have to iron this later. But yeah, you could see her bunny. So we'll end up putting the, oh my God, did I just press that again?
Stay cool.
Jeez. Okay, so we'll have to put the bunny in here when the bunny Minnie Mouse arrives. I actually didn't buy too much more stuff because we are running out of room and we do still need to put the bunny in here. All right, so that is it. If you stuck around this long, I really thank you for watching. All of the likes, comments, share, everything really does help support my channel, so I really appreciate it. And that's it for today's video, so we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.